Congratulations. Start off real hot, I'm sorry. Congratulations. You've just done it. You've freaking got here. You've completed the FPV workshop. You've learned so much freaking theory, lessons, exercises, mind just blowing opportunity times. I don't know. You've learned a lot, and I know there's a lot that's currently sinking in. You're soaking it up like a sponge, but I do want to take a moment to just say congratulations. And congratulations not only for completing this course, but also for taking the initiative to actually get out there and to take a risk and to do this. I'm really proud of you for that. You've done an insanely good job getting here, completing this. And now that you've got all this knowledge, you've got all of this juicy info, you know what time it is, right? It's time to go put it into action. But just before you put it into action, I want to leave you with one thing. Something that I wish that I thought about and something that I wish that actually stuck with me way earlier on in my journey. It stuck with me now, but yeah, I never used to have this in my brain. But if I did, the amount of frustration and stuff that it would have helped me lose would have been so good, but it's fine. That's what I'm here to help you guys for, right? What I want to say is I see beginners consistently, and I even get ahead of myself too, but I see beginners consistently starting off trying to fly fast. And you would have heard me talk about this throughout the workshop, but they just want to go fast and just boost and go that way and this way and around this thing and all of this stuff. But at the end of the day, when you're trying to improve, boosting around and going super fast isn't actually what's going to help you out. Instead, you need to be able to fly smooth. And we know the saying here, right? The little saying that I told you guys earlier was flying fast. Oh, good Lord, I just screwed it up myself. Flying smooth. Hold on. Third time's a charm. Flying smooth is slow. I really screwed it up again. Flying slow is smooth, and flying smooth is fast. I got it. All right, that took a while. But you get it, right? To actually become smooth, you have to fly slow. And then to fly fast, you have to be smooth. So it all kind of makes sense. You slow down, become smooth. When you become smooth, you dial back up the speed and you become fast. That's what you want. That's what we're aiming for. But to do that, you have to get smooth. And to get smooth, you have to slow down. So my biggest thing here for you is just take it a little bit more chill than you think you need to. You can be like, this sucks, I'm so bored or whatever. Just give it that little bit of time. And then you'll find that you'll be like, holy crap, I didn't know I could fly this well. And it will be in little to no time. So yeah, I'm going to leave you with that. I'm not going to try to repeat it again. I think I'll screw it up. So have fun out there, enjoy it, take it a little bit chill, and yeah, we'll see you around soon. I'm certain of it. Catch you later.